So this question appeared in CAT exam again. So there are 1,000 patients who are suffering from some certain disease, and there are four type of medicine: A, B, C, and D. So these patients were first randomly assigned into two groups of equal size called treatment group and control group. Okay, the patient in the control group were not treated with any of these means dummy medicine placebo. Okay, the patient in the treatment group. So there are 500 uh, uh, patients in treatment group. Okay, total of this were treated with type A and total of this were treated with type C, 20 were treated with C and D and this. So there is some information given. So there are four types of medicine. So this type of questions with four type of things are given, and in which we are given that certain people are treated with some certain medicines like type A medicine, type B medicine, C, D, whatever. Certain with more than one type, type A and type D, type A and type B, then with type ABC, not with this T. So these type of questions are usually solved using Venn diagram. But when it comes to four parameters, four unknowns A, B, C, and D, so the Venn diagram becomes a little difficult. But that's the easiest method, and I'll teach you how to solve these type of questions by going with this example. So we know, so in this type of question, what we do, we first make a box. Okay, and for A, B, C, and D, we make a box like this. Mm, This will be 3 by 3 box for four parameters. Then we'll make two curves like this, similarly on the other side. So this will be A, this will be B, this will be C, this will be D. Okay, and there are some overlapping areas. So our A is this area from, I'll show you. Okay. So this area, this whole area is A. Okay, and here this portion alone, this is the area which belongs only to A but not to B, C, or D. So if we are given some information that something which belongs to A and B, so that will be this which has been intersected by A and B. Something which is from A and say for example D but not by others, so it will be this area which is A and D's area. Okay, or if we are given that something which is intersected by B, which is for A, B, and C, so we'll see the common area of A, B, and C. So A, B, and C का common area would be these two blocks, this block and this block. These two blocks belong to both A, B, and C. Similarly, the blocks which are common to all, that is A, B, C, and D. So this is the block which is common to all, right? This comes under C also, this comes under D also, under B also, and under A also. So this is common for all. So we'll start solving the question using the information, and we will keep on writing what belongs where. Okay, the total of 250 patients were treated with type A medicine. So A total are 250, and we know total all patients in treatment group are 500. Okay, and total of 210 patients were treated with type C. So these are 2010. 25 patients were treated with type A medicine only. So this area is 25. 20 patients were treated with type C medicine only. This is the area which belongs to C only, right? 10 patients were treated with type D medicine only. So this is area. 35, coming to the next statement, 35 patients were treated with type A and type D medicine only. So A and D का intersection we'll have to find. A and D का intersection are, this belong to D, this belong to A, and A and D ka, because this area is also belong to C. So this is the area which belong to only A and D. So this is 35 patients were treated with A and D only. 20 patients were treated with type A and type B only. तो type A and type B का जो area है 20. So this intersection belong only to A and B. 30 patients with type A and C. A and C का intersection and which is not covered by other is this. This is 30. Then 20 patients with C and D. C and D का common area is this, right? This is 20. 100 patients were treated with exactly 3 types of medicines. Exactly 3 types of medicine, that is A, B and C. Okay, we'll come to this statement later. First, coming to next statement, 40 patients were treated with medicine type A, B and C. A, B and C का common area, this is the common area which belong to A, B and C, right? Because just below it, this belongs to D also. This is the area which belongs to A also. This is under this area, belong to B also and belong to C also. This is 40. But not with medicine type D. Okay. 20 patients were treated with medicine A, C and D, but not with medicine B. So A, C and D, this A, C and D, this one, because this belongs to B also. So this is the one which belong to A, C and D, right? 50 patients were given all the 4 types of medicine. So all the 4 ka area is this. This belongs to all 4, right? Now coming to D statement back. First F, let's complete F fully. 75 patients were treated with exactly 1 type of medicines. So exactly 1 type of medicine is this: 25, 20, 10 and this. So this total has to be 75. So we know 30, 55 we already have, so 20 would be here. It's done. Now coming to D back, 100 patients were treated with exactly 3 types of medicine. Okay, the exactly 3 types of medicines were 40 which were treated with A, B and C, and 20 A, C and D. 60. So we are left with 40 more which have treated 3 other. So this we already know ABC is 40 and ACD are 20 from statement E. Now the third group would be A, B and D of 3 medicines, and last group would be B, C and D. So we know this total is 60 plus 40 because this total is 100, right, from statement 50, this total is 100. So ABD plus BCD has to be 40. So ABD is, this is the one which belongs to ABD. So let's say this is X, and BCD, B, C and D is this Y. X plus Y is 40. Okay. Also we can find X simply from here. See, A total is 250. This total we have A के अंडर का. So this is 25 plus 20, 45, 45 plus 7, 45 and 40, 85, 85 plus 100, 185, 185 plus 35 is 220. So this is 30 left. So this is 30 to make it 250. Now this is 30. So this is 10 as X plus Y was 40. Right. Also we know this total is 210 for C. So we can find this value also here. This value. So this will be 50, 50, 100, 150, 190. So this is 20 here. Right. And we can easily find this value also. This value, as we know total is 500 of all the blocks, right? So we can calculate it, and we see that this will be this whole thing's under A is 250. Okay, 250 plus 50, 300, 300 plus 50, sorry, 250 plus 50 is 300, 350, 350. So this is 500 minus 350, this will be 150. Okay, now we can come to the questions. First question, how many patients were treated in medicine type B? Okay, so this will be total of the area under B. So this will be 40, 40, 80, 100, 300. This is 340. Okay, the best B will be 340. Patients who treated in medicine type B, C and D, but not type A. So B, C and D, but not with A is this. This will be coming under B, C and D. So this is 10. Then we have next question, how many patients were treated with medicine type B and D only? B and D are only this 150. Patients who were treated with medicine type D was, so this will be total of this area under D. So it is 50, 40, 100, 100 plus 150, 250, 250 plus 60, 70, 75. So it is 325. Okay. So let's see you in another video.